guys, what's up? What's up? It's dusty around these parts. Today is a beautiful day. First of all, let's start off with that. It is like, I want to say maybe 68 degrees. What? 68 degrees. It is a beautiful day. It's a Friday. I feel like my face gets so puffy around this time of year too. All right, but we have a little beach date with Tay, my bestie. So we're on our way there. We actually just came from the doctor's appointment. Janelle got 3 shots today, guys. I'll show you guys the view.
Oh my goodness, I call myself going to DoorDash.
Tay got like 10 jobs, so. So I forgot to tell y'all the best part. We got Mexican food. We got some tacos. It's about to go down.
Next year, I'm about to plan it.
Yes.
Yes.
And I'm gonna just follow the plan. That's all I gotta do. So it is now like about 8:30 to be exact. So after I left the Seaside Park with Tay, I actually did a little bit of Instacarting. I wanted to challenge myself and try out Instacarting. Just to, you know, I always wanted to just try it out. Try out Uber Eats, try it out. So I did that, and then I went home. And actually no, so after I did Instacarting, I kind of just had to drop Jay off to Ted, and so now
the destination is on your left, 260 Crown Street.
Oh, right there.
Arrived.
Okay. It is cute. So I'm going out with one of my friends that she's like a childhood friend of mine. Everywhere we went, people called us twins because they think we look alike, but our relationship has grown, and so we're going out to eat tonight, and I'm so excited. So we are actually going to New Haven. New Haven is like a cute little city that is like, I want to say 30 minutes away from where we live. So we're here, and I'm excited. We're going to this place called Via, well, some places call it Via New Haven, but I need to see what it's really called. I'm not sure, but I'll let you know. So I'm dressed and I'm ready to have a good time. Okay then. We're here. It is definitely Friday Night Live. I'm loving it. Monday finds you happy and well. I'm getting my voice back because, you know, yesterday was a lit day at church. Okay, yesterday I was just praising God. I was shouting to the Lord and I lost my voice. I'm also whispering because everyone is sleeping and it's pretty early, so I'm going to be heading out now. I have an avocado that's getting spoiled and a piece of hard dough bread, and that's what I'm going to use to start my morning. All right. Y'all, tell me you're Jamaican without telling me you're Jamaican. Good old hard dough bread. Today I'm gonna be bleaching one of my coworkers' teeth, and I want to show you how I do it. First things first, you want to match the tooth color to the patient. We just matched him, and right now he is an A tooth.